In this video lecture, we will be looking at continuous statement in Java programming. You can break out anytime in program, and if you want to continue, how do you go about doing that? That is the issue we're having. So in a loop system where you'll be moving from one place to another, you might decide to break out anytime, but there must be a need for you to fall back again. This is where continuous statement falls in Java, and he's been very interesting so far because he's good to work with continuous statement, else you are going to hang up if you remain with only break statement in Java. Let's go ahead and look at a system where we are counting from 5, 10, 15, 20 to 25, and we break off from 15. Then want to continue from 20. How do we do that? First of all, I initialize numbers, integer numbers, so 5, 10, 15, 20 to 25. Then using a for loop or enhanced for loop, not just for loop, enhanced for loop, I call these numbers. Then I now put a statement where I'm checking out if x is equivalent to 15, then it should continue. At this point, it breaks off from 15 and then continues back again from 20. Let's go ahead and run this and see how it looks like. Compile this from here and let's check it out. So look at the code, all the result on the console. You can see that I have 5, 10, 20, 25. We break off from 15. We continue at 20. So anytime you want to continue somewhere, you go ahead and use continue. So I believe that this is really becoming interesting, and this is how you're going to know that Java is very interesting. So this is all about continuous statement in Java programming, and I believe you really understood it very well. But in case you still have any question under this section, please try to use the question and answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.